The first recipe I will prepare today is the berries overnight oats. For this recipe you need 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 cup of soya milk or other vegan milk, 1 tablespoon of vegan yogurt, some maple syrup. Mix it well and add the berries, some strawberries, some blueberries and some raspberries. Mix everything well and put them in a glass. Take the glass and put in the fridge for one night. The next morning, decorate it with some fruits and some chia seeds and almond flakes for more crunchiness. Another option for the overnight oats is the chocolate overnight oats recipe. For this recipe, you need the half of a banana and you have to mash it with a fork until it becomes soft. Then you add a tablespoon of maple syrup, 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 cup of vegan milk, 1 tablespoon of vegan yogurt, and you mix it well. Pour everything carefully in a glass and put the glass overnight in the fridge. The next morning, decorate with some bananas, some chocolate of course, and some hazelnuts.